walking through the snowstorm. We've been snowing over 12 hours. Some parts of the state have over 3 feet of snow as of now. Not too far from here, actually. Not sure how much we have right now, but there's quite a bit. It's a very light, fluffy snow that adds up really quick. As you can see, that sidewalk is pretty well covered with snow. I'm at the edge here of downtown Manchester, walking south towards the business district, checking things out. The traffic is pretty light right now, and this Elm Street, the main street in the downtown area, is pretty well cleaned off, but it's still snowing at a pretty good clip right now. I'm gonna keep walking south and see what's going on. I just wanted to show that old building while I'm at it. Traffic's picking up a little bit. I almost fell a little bit here in the as we get more towards the center of downtown. Get a lot of snow removal vehicles out. As you can hear the trucks beeping. There's a lot of snow on that sidewalk. And that's looking down one of the side streets. The roads are in a lot better shape than they could be for all the snow. They're relatively pretty good, pretty well plowed. We're coming up on Pappy's Pizza here on the left. Excellent local restaurant. It looks like they're doing some good business for the lunchtime crowd. The Plow guys, the Eversource energy trucks. So hats off to Pappy's for feeding people. Yeah, baby! Say hello to my friend, Creepy Santa. What's up, Creepy Santa? If you missed my video on Creepy Santa, check it out. And we get some plowed in cars over here. I believe SNHU is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, online universities in the whole country. So we're approaching the midsection of downtown here. All right, so we're at the midsection of downtown here. People, please make sure you clean your cars off, including the tops. I've had flying snow hit me pretty bad before, and it's not fun. People die. People get into big accidents. So that light up there is saying there's a snow emergency. And I'm gonna look west over the bridge. I'm surprised the bus service is still going today. Guess these people will be getting some kind of workout today. What's up? More snow removal equipment. I can't believe the buses are running today. I can't imagine anyone's riding the bus, but so who wants to trade a white Christmas for a couple palm trees? That's my offer to you right now.